Rosemary hair rinse for oily hair. This hair rinse is easy to make at home. It removes excess oils on the scalp, bringing the hair shine back. Hair rinse recipe. First of all, you need to brew 3 cups of rosemary tea. Just steep 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, or 1 fresh medium-sized sprig of rosemary, in 3 cups of boiling water, for 15 minutes. Once the tea cools down, add 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar, and 2 drops of tea tree essential oil. Mix the ingredients, and transfer the mixture into a measuring cup, for easier use in the shower. How to use it. While in the shower, shampoo your hair, then rinse off, and now use this mixture as the final rinse. Since this hair rinse also works as a conditioner, you may skip using your regular one. Let the rinse dry on your hair, and you will get non-oily, silky, and shiny locks. Use this rinse every time you wash your hair. The benefits of the ingredients. Due to its astringent properties, rosemary tea balances scalp oil production, thus reducing the hair greasiness. It also helps fight against germs, dandruff, and gives your hair shine. Organic apple cider vinegar balances scalp pH, makes your hair look silky, and cleanses the scalp from stale oils. Tea tree oil is a natural astringent, which helps with the excessive scalp oiliness. Due to its antibacterial properties, tea tree oil serves as an effective remedy against germs and scalp fungal infections. It reduces dandruff and promotes soft, shiny, and silken locks.